Hi, and welcome to Window Cleaning Dude. In today's episode, we're going to talk about guarantees. So if you're new to window cleaning, or you've been in the window cleaning game for a while, then you either know about guarantees or you're going to learn about guarantees right here and now. So a lot of window cleaners, they like to offer some sort of guarantee. Sometimes it's a satisfaction guarantee. If the customer is not happy, you're going to get all your money back, or I'm not going to charge you. Sometimes it's a rain guarantee that, if I come out and clean your windows and then it rains, then I'm going to come back out and I'm going to, fix your windows for you. And they like to do these guarantees because they feel like that's going to help sell the customer on their services, that they'll choose them as opposed to going to some other window cleaner, and that will be like the thing that seals the deal and makes them feel like they're offering this terrific value. What I want to talk about this though is that I don't think doing guarantees is a good thing to do at all. So first let me talk about the rain guarantee and why I don't do rain guarantees and why I don't think it's a good idea. So if you're cleaning the windows properly and you've washed the screens thoroughly, then there's really no reason if it does rain shortly afterwards for the windows to really get dirty. They might get a tiny bit dirty maybe, but I've been cleaning windows for over 10 years. I've never offered a rain guarantee. I've never had a customer call me back and say, well, it just rained. You just cleaned yesterday and it rained today and now my windows are all dirty. I've never had that happen. So if you're offering a rain guarantee, all you're doing is basically saying, I'm going to come back and clean your windows a second time for free. And trust me, if you offer a rain guarantee and it does rain, even if those windows don't look dirty, you're going to have customers calling you saying, hey, it rained, it's been within the 10-day period that you give me, come back out and touch up these windows. Well, now what are you doing? You're going back to their home, popping out all the screens, and then going and touching up the windows on the outside. I mean, talk about a pain. You're not even getting paid for that. You're spending time, you're taking up a scheduled spot that you could be out there making more money when it's not even needed or necessary. And if you're cleaning the windows the right way and cleaning the screens the right way from the get-go, then you don't need to offer this rain guarantee. And I'm telling you from my own personal experience, if you want to follow my pattern of success to make $100,000 or more a year in window cleaning, do not offer a rain guarantee. You're just double cleaning for the same price. Like I said, I've been in business for over 10 years. I've never had a rain guarantee, and I've never had anybody call me and complain that I didn't have a rain guarantee or that they wanted me to come back out and fix the windows. That's never happened. And I've always had plenty of repeat customers. I've never had any bad reviews on this. So do not offer a rain guarantee. All you're doing is causing yourself to do more work and make less money. The next guarantee I want to talk about is the satisfaction guarantee. So sometimes on window cleaning websites, you'll see window cleaners saying satisfaction guaranteed. And what is that satisfaction guarantee? What comes with that? Well, a lot of times they'll say, if you're not satisfied, I'll give back your money 100%. If you're not 100% satisfied, you're going to get back all your cash, all your money. You don't have to pay me a dime, this and that. Everybody has a little spiel about their satisfaction guarantee. I do not offer any satisfaction guarantees, and I've never had an issue with this either. Once again, been in business for over 10 years, never had a satisfaction guarantee. And why don't I have a satisfaction guarantee? Because I always give my customer 100%. I always go above and beyond. I always make sure that I clean those windows right the first time. They're always perfect. I always clean the screens perfectly. And so I do the very best job I can because I want my customer to be happy and I want them to have me back. That's another reason why I also don't do contracts or take credit cards up front, because I know that I'm going to do the best job that I can and that they're going to have me back because I do such a good job. This is why I do not offer a satisfaction guarantee also, because I feel like there's going to be some customer out there who is just not going to be satisfied, and the last thing you want to do is say satisfaction guarantee or your money back, because guess what? You're going to go do your best job, clean their windows, and what are they going to do? They're never going to be happy, right? There's some of those people out there who are just never happy. It doesn't matter what you do. And so what are they going to do is they're going to say, well, I'm not really happy with this job, so I want my money back. You don't want to do that. You don't want to go clean someone's windows for free. I mean, you just, worked your butt off cleaning their windows and you know you did a good job, and yet here they are complaining. Now, I have had a few complaining customers in my 10 years, but I can count them on one hand. There's been less than 5, and of those 3 customers, there was 3 customers in 10 years that weren't happy, and they were just people who were never going to be happy. I cleaned just as good for them as I did for everybody else. I know I did a great job, and they just weren't happy. They just weren't happy people. And so it doesn't matter how good a job you do for someone who's not a happy person, they're just never going to be happy. And the last thing you want for them to do at the end of your job is be like, well, I'm not happy with your job, so I'm not going to pay you, or, you know, I want my money back, you know. So don't offer a satisfaction guarantee. Once again, all you're doing is causing trouble for yourself. So the satisfaction guarantee kind of just goes right into the money guarantee. It's the same thing, right? So don't ever offer to give the money back for free. Never do that. Never ever do that. I wouldn't do that for residential, I wouldn't do it for commercial, and I wouldn't do it for storefront. I would never offer any of these guarantees to anybody. The only guarantee I offer, if I was going to offer one, would be this. I guarantee that I'm going to do a kick-butt job, that you're going to be happy with this work, and the only other guarantee I would give is, as far as the rain guarantee is I guarantee you it will rain. That's my guarantee. So that's pretty much it when it comes to guarantees. I don't recommend that you do it. All you're doing is causing yourself more trouble, more work. You're going to get paid less. You're going to have to go back and do things that you didn't want to have to do. You're going to get those picky customers. Occasionally there's those picky customers, and you're just never going to satisfy them. Doesn't matter how good of a job you do. So the short answer here is, do you need a guarantee? No, you do not. All you're going to do is attract all the wrong customers. Having a rain guarantee, the kind of customers you're going to attract are the same kind of people you're going to attract if you put your advertising in the Penny Saver. If you have the Penny Saver where you live, it's basically a coupon book for people who want to save money, who are cheap and don't want to spend money on services that they need. Do not advertise there. Let me just throw that in there right now, since we're talking about the Penny Saver and being cheap. Do not advertise in the Penny Saver. That's not my recommendation for you when it comes to window cleaning. You might advertise it for maybe some of your other side services like Christmas lights, but as far as your window cleaning service goes, do not offer that in the Penny Saver. You will just attract cheap customers who are never happy, and these are the same people who want the guarantees. You just want the high-end customers. They're not looking in the Penny Saver, and they're usually going to be happy, and they don't need a guarantee. So to wrap this video up, I would just say, do not give a guarantee. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but it really isn't in your best interest to give guarantees that you don't want to have to then go back and have to fulfill. That's just going to take up your time, and you're just going to lose out on money. So like I said, I've been in this business for over 10 years. I've never had a guarantee, and I don't think you should have one either. It's just going to save you in so many different ways. So if you like this video, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hitting the subscribe button down below to be a part of this window cleaning community, and to also show YouTube that you enjoy the videos that you're seeing here and that you find value and content in these videos. Please also comment down below and visit windowcleaningdude.com, where you can find everything I have to offer and share with you for free on my website there. Also hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any future videos. Thank you for joining me. I will see you in the next episode.